So, our top story this lunchtime, the vast majority of social distancing rules in South Korea have finally been lifted after more than 2 years of trying to stem the spread of COVID-19 as much as possible. It means that from today, there will no longer be restrictions on business hours or the number of people who can gather at once in the same place. Our Yeon-seung starts us off.
The social distancing rules that have been in place for the past 2 years are finally coming to an end. Starting from Monday, South Korea will lift almost all its social distancing measures. The anti-COVID measures first went into effect on March 2020. And since then, the health authorities have attempted to contain the spread of COVID-19 by repeatedly tightening and easing these rules. But no longer. Now businesses will be able to stay open all night, and there will be no more limit to the number of people who can gather together. Events and rallies will no longer be limited to under 300 people. Religious services and events can be held at full capacity. But for eating in indoor stadiums and theaters, health authorities need another week of preparation. This ban on eating will be lifted next Monday. And masks are staying on for at least another 2 weeks, both indoors and outdoors. Health authorities will circle back to this issue in a fortnight to discuss whether to lift the mask mandate. The lifting of social distancing measures comes on the back of declining COVID infections. South Korea on Monday reported 47,743 new cases. This is the first time in 68 days that daily cases have dropped below 50,000. Also, South Korea last week saw an average of more than 130,000 COVID infections per day. That's a 33% drop from the week before, when the country saw more than 200,000 cases a day on average. The self-isolation rules for infected patients will remain for now, but will also be lifted gradually over the next several weeks. And patients will soon be able to visit their local doctor to get COVID-19 treatments, like they do for the common flu. Yeon-seung, Arirang News.